Hello lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, join me as I explore the beauty of Dubai. In today's video, I went along and visited a very nice place and super amazing and super exciting. Hope everyone should go and visit this place. It's really so nice. There are a lot of things you can do there. There are a lot of activity. There are a lot of things to see there. Here you reach around, they can also watch the movie of the prophets. This is inside a cave. That's where we went, and the journey was so long, so I took all along. It took all like 2 hours to reach to this place. It's very far, and the place is called Quranic Park. It's really nice and amazing, and it's still under construction, so the transport is easier for you to go for like Karimu or Huba, or you can drive by yourself. But when you are to use metro or a bus, it really takes a lot of time, and it's like a bit tiresome, because if you are to go, you have to go to the Itisala at the end. You go to bus F05 and you go straight to Mizara 1 F1, so that's where the bus stops, and you have to walk all along to this park. So it's better to take Uber. What I realized there, transportation is super expensive when you are to go to this place. So here I reach where Nabi Musa alayhi salatu wasalam split the river and created the way where, like, I know, hope many of you know that story where Nabi Musa is like split the river and created a way to go for to his followers. So yeah, this is the cape, and inside the cape there are lots. So hope you will watch this video and enjoy and see what's really going on and what's happening at Dubai Quranic Park. It's super nice, though it's really hot outside, so make sure when you're going there it's a evening time or morning time. I think it's better, but now it's too hot. Hope this thing is difficult. So, but for me, I took a risk and I went there. I enjoyed. I took a nice picture. I like. I had. I Prophet Yunus, the well. Age mukulu genda tambula obudde bugenda. Enkokotte byonna bivuddeyo. Masalira akawule nerabika watiisa. Tulaba wano eno birabe.
In one of the cities of Mosul in Iraq, there lived the people of Nineveh, who worshipped idols and associated partners with God. God sent them a noble prophet to the worship of God and to dissuade them from belief. Jonah, peace be upon him, advised his people to take up the path of goodness and promised them mercy and forgiveness if they believed and if they became pious. He warned them of the punishment and torture of Allah if they insisted on their disbelief and arrogance, yet they did not respond to his call and remained in their disbelief.
Of the dead, Prophet Uzair returning of life, Prophet Sulaiman, valley of ants, Prophet Moses, peace be upon him, splitting of the sea. See, Prophet Ibrahim, reviving the birds, Prophet Muhammad, the moon splitting. Why? I am Silam. Video. You're not where was.
Ageyingira.